If you want to change wallpaper on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, first we're gonna go to Settings. Once you open Settings, you want to scroll down a little bit and go to Personalization. Now in here we should be able to scroll down, and then here we have many different wallpapers that we can use. We have some system wallpapers that you can choose from. You can also tap, for example, on more in here to find even more system wallpapers. We have a couple of online options like the editor's pick. We have new wallpapers. We can also tap on online wallpapers or find more in order to open the theme app with the different wallpapers that we can get on our phone. But I'm gonna stick with something that we have available in here. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one that I have available in this place. Then we need to choose if you want to set the wallpaper on the lock screen, home screen, or both. In my case, I'm gonna choose both. You can of course still adjust the wallpaper. You can zoom in and zoom out. Then you can also use two fingers in order to move the wallpaper around. You can also switch to the home screen, of course, if you apply it on both screens, where you can, for example, toggle the blur. For the lock screen, we can toggle the depth effect, and we can also apply one of these available effects in here. Once you are done with the customization or the setup of the wallpaper, you can tap on Apply in the upper right corner. You might have an offer to use the wallpaper carousel feature, so of course, depending if you want to use it or not, you can choose the corresponding button. I'm not a fan of it, so I'm just gonna disagree. And there we go, we have changed the wallpaper. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.